Hello to everyone, welcome to my channel. Guys, to those who have long hair like me and using this kind of hair straightener or hair iron, I'm going to make something for my hair straightener or hair iron with the help of this cloth. This is from a jacket. This is a stretchy or elastic fabric. I'm going to make something for my hair iron or hair straightener. So let's get it on.
I was on the mic, do my thing on a Friday night. Had the floor burning up just right. Everybody was pumping, the club was jumping. You walked in, that's when everybody stopped dancing, and I couldn't stop myself staring. I couldn't breathe, no, I couldn't believe my eyes.
So here it is, guys. I'm done for my second cover for my hair iron. This one is the old one that I made. So this is already two for my hair iron cover. And I will show you guys how I used it, how I put it on my hair iron. This is how I put it. You know, guys, this is my own idea. I don't copy. I never seen any video of this before. This is just pop up on my mind, on my brain, and I just made it. Whenever or whatever pops up on my mind, I just make it and sew it by myself. First, I draw it first and then make it. So this is the outcome of it. And thank you guys so much for always watching my videos, always being on my live streams. You know, guys, who you are. I won't name names to be fair for everybody that always supports me in my live streams and my upload videos. Thank you all so much, guys, and I love you all. That's all, guys, for today. See you guys next time.